Step into the Ford 2019 Fiesta SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power moonroof, front license plate bracket, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, front disc rear drum brakes, brake assist, aluminum wheels and tires, front all-season. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.